Welcome to AI in Marketing. I am your host and news curator, Stan Bertolo from Nitro Marketing. You will find links to all the stories mentioned in this episode in the show notes. Welcome to AI in Marketing. So today, two articles are quite striking. The first one is about this Chinese humanoid robot manufacturer, UBTech, and it's about a new robot, Walker S2, that is capable of changing its own battery within just 3 minutes. Amazing video. I suggest you have a look at it. I post the link in the notes. The other article is about the fact that 6% of all the search traffic in the US now are processed through AI chatbot. And this is having a huge impact on SEO. Enjoy your day and enjoy this episode. Goodbye.
Today is July 23rd, 2025. Here's what we are covering. From robots to chatbots. In an innovative leap for industrial robotics, UBTech, a Shenzhen-based leader in humanoid robots, has introduced the Walker S2, a robot that sets itself apart by mastering the art of the autonomous battery swap. This means it can keep going non-stop around the clock without human help or even pausing its tasks. Picture this, a robot that, in just 3 minutes, can swap out its battery and jump back into work without missing a beat. It's a bit like those quick battery swaps for electric cars, but now we're talking robots on the factory floor. The Walker S2 isn't just a one-trick pony either. It's equipped with a smart dual battery system that ensures it always has a backup, minimizing any risk of downtime. This isn't just about keeping the lights on, it's about slashing maintenance costs and bumping up productivity in a big way. Dynamic energy management allows the robot to decide on the fly whether to swap out its battery or charge up, depending on what job it needs to do next. UBTech, no stranger to pioneering in the humanoid robot space, made headlines when it went public in Hong Kong back in 2023, a first for a company of its kind. Since then, big names in the auto industry, like NIO, BYD, and Zeekr, have been putting these robots to the test on their production lines. The future of manufacturing just got a boost, thanks to robots that don't know the meaning of downtime. Now to online searches for servicing. In a notable shift, artificial intelligence, AI-powered chatbots are now handling 5.6% of desktop browser-based search traffic in the US, a jump from 2.48% in the previous year. This spike, reported by the Wall Street Journal and based on data from Datos, a SEMrush company, doesn't account for mobile searches, but points to a growing reliance on AI for information retrieval. Within a group of early adopters, the figure soars to 40%, highlighting a significant trend towards AI integration in search behaviors. This change is likened to the major digital milestones of Google's browser launch and the rise of social media. The evolution has spurred the creation of AI optimization startups aimed at enhancing brand visibility in AI searches and has opened avenues for advertising within AI search responses. Perplexity's Comet, an AI-powered web browser, epitomizes this shift by offering users streamlined, conversational browsing experiences. The rise of generative AI is reshaping online search, urging small to medium-sized businesses to adapt for visibility in AI platforms. Switching to social media, Be Real, the photo-sharing app that surged in popularity in 2022, is staging a comeback under new ownership by Voodoo, a French mobile games publisher. Aimed at refreshing its user experience, the company has introduced Be Real 2.0, enhancing the app with video, chat features, and bug fixes. With a current user base of 40 million monthly active users, Be Real is broadening its appeal by incorporating sponsored content and advertising opportunities since April. The platform, known for its unique twice-daily photo-sharing feature, is not just fixing past issues, but actively pursuing advertisers, marking its territory at events like Cannes Lions, with plans for a more significant presence next year. Despite these efforts, it remains to be seen whether Be Real can secure a permanent spot in the competitive social media landscape. Next up, young innovators Karan Kaushik and Selin Kochalar, both 21-year-old MIT dropouts, have quickly escalated their AI-compliant startup Delve to a $300 million valuation after raising $32 million in a Series A funding round. This leap, led by Insight Partners, marked a tenfold increase from their previous funding just months earlier. Initially, Delve, which streamlines regulatory compliance through AI, wasn't looking for new investments. However, overwhelming interest from potential investors changed their course. The company, which began with a focus on making healthcare compliance more efficient, expanded its services across various regulatory frameworks due to customer demand. Now, with over 500 clients, including fast-growing AI firms, Delve's founders have seen their early venture, born from a pivot during their sophomore year, rapidly evolve into a major player in the tech industry. Exploring AI in workplaces. Amid the buzz around AI agents transforming the workplace, many acknowledge these tools still have a long way to go. They often misinterpret tasks, struggle with cooperation, and lack integration with current systems. Experts argue that for AI agents to truly be effective, human oversight is necessary, echoing challenges seen in autonomous vehicle deployment. Enter Mixus, a startup aiming to bridge this gap by offering an AI agent platform that operates directly from familiar tools like email and Slack. Founded by Shai Maximoff and Elliot Katz, Mixus promises to simplify the creation and management of AI agents, making them more accessible. Launched in beta in late 2024 and having raised $2.6 million in pre-seed funding, Mixus is already attracting attention, including from retail chain Rainbow Shops. With a focus on user-friendly interaction, Mixus could be a game-changer in making AI agents a practical tool for the workforce. Lastly, enhancing cybersecurity. Google is stepping up the game in enterprise cybersecurity with its latest introduction of agentic AI-powered systems designed to detect and counter threats in real time, often without needing human intervention. Announced on July 15th, these updates mark a significant shift towards automating cybersecurity, potentially outpacing human capabilities. Google's AI agent, Big Sleep, has already showcased its efficiency by preemptively identifying and neutralizing a threat, a move Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google and Alphabet, heralds as a breakthrough in AI-assisted defense strategies. This evolution raises critical considerations for business leaders, especially CISOs and CFOs, about the readiness for machine-speed defense, the cost implications of adopting these technologies, and the accountability of AI actions. Moreover, it signals a move from reactive threat management to proactive, AI-driven prevention, offering a new arsenal against zero-day vulnerabilities by autonomously identifying and addressing potential breaches before they're exploited. Thanks for listening to this episode.
Thank you for tuning in to AI in Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's NYTRO marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.